I'm Judy Shaw on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Joining me today is Steve Weisz. He is the CEO of Marriott Vacations Worldwide. Steve, great to see you. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me, Judy. It's great to see you again.
Now, a quick note to our viewers, this interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Steve, this month marks the 10th anniversary of your listing on the New York Stock Exchange. You just rang the closing bell to celebrate this milestone. Tell me how the company has changed over the past 10 years.
Well, we've almost doubled our size. We've gone from being a vacation ownership company to more of a vacation experiences company. We've gone from 42 resorts with 420,000 owners and 3 brands to 11 brands with over 700,000 owners and another 3.2 million members of our exchange company and another 150 resorts that are under management and by our third-party management company.
Okay, now based on your third quarter results, you've reported strong numbers even in the midst of a pandemic. What are you expecting for the remainder of this year and also looking towards 2022?
The future looks very bright. Our advanced bookings, not only through the balance of the end of this year, but into next year, through the first half of the year, for instance, our bookings are up 10% over what they would at the same time in 2019. Obviously, drawing comparisons to 2020 is a little meaningless, but so we try to compare it in 2019, and things look very strong. I mean, people have been, they haven't been able to travel for a long period of time, a lot of pent-up demand. They want to get on vacation, they want to get out with their friends and their family, and we're the right place to do that.
Indeed. Okay, so Steve, tell me, what makes Marriott Vacations Worldwide unique within the vacation ownership industry?
Well, first of all, as I mentioned, we have 11 brands, 7 in the vacation ownership business, which is different than what our competitors are. These are 7 brands that are part of some of the most highly regarded hospitality companies out there, whether it be Marriott or Westin or Sheraton or Hyatt. We believe that we offer a wide variety of vacation experiences. So if people don't want to just stay at one of our resorts and they want to take a cruise, or they want to go to a wine tour in Tuscany or even a safari, they can do that as long as they have points to be able to do it. We're happy to try to accommodate them.
Okay. All right. So celebrating 10 years, what's the next 10 years going to look like?
Well, I personally think while the last 10 years have been exciting for us, and we've made a couple of very game-changing acquisitions in our business that helped us grow, I actually think the next 10 years look even more bright than the past 10. And we're very excited about the partnership that we have with the New York Stock Exchange. We made the decision a long time ago to join the NYSE versus the other guys, and that was the right decision for us because I think we share something in common. Your business model at the NYSE is technology and people versus just technology. That's us too. We're all about people, and that's why you're the right place to be.
Well, it's a pleasure to have you as part of the NYSE family.
Thank you.
And thanks for joining me on NYSE Floor Talk.
Thank you, Judy. I appreciate it very much. Great to see you.